Hello Charles. My name is Nicole. We saw that big score of yours. How did you do it?
Well, I ran and passed the ball to Nick which he missed, so before the ball hit the ground, I ran for it and threw it in the hoop.
Very interesting. Why did you join basketball?
Because I had the idea of being famous and I have always liked sports. Which the first sport I like, is well, basketball.
Wonderful. Did anything else inspire you to play?
Well, my family has always been supportive for me and it is just nice to have a family who cares.
Very inspiring. Do you want to thank anyone before we close our show?
Sure. I want to thank my mom for being there for me, my dad for supporting me, my brother James for being nice to me. They are all my life.
How sweet. Let's say goodbye to the camera now. Goodbye. See you all next time on Basketball Wonders.
Bye. See you next time.